If you're getting that security threat detected message on Roblox, don't worry, you can usually fix it in a few quick steps. Let me show you how to get your app working again. First, open your App Store or Play Store and search for Roblox. If you see an update button, make sure to update it. Sometimes this alert shows up just because the app is running an older version, so getting the latest update can instantly clear it. Once it shows that Roblox is fully up to date, go ahead and close the store. Now open your device settings and find the Roblox app. Tap into the app info page, then go to storage. Here, you'll want to clear the cache and the app data. Clearing data removes any corrupted files that might trigger that security warning. And don't worry, you'll just need to log in again afterward. After clearing everything, reopen Roblox and sign back into your account. If the issue doesn't disappear right away, restart your device once, and then try opening the app again. That usually resets everything cleanly. Once you've done all that, you should see Roblox open without any warnings. Everything should work normally again. If this helped you fix the problem, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides just like this. Thanks for watching.